So truth be told, I'm freaking sweating. 320 to 3000 grit. First done with a grinder wheel to get out the pitting, and then 120 grit flap disc on Milwaukee M18 grinder wheel thingy thing. And it got me sweating here, but it comes out with a cool little pattern. Now I'm gonna just polish it and see how it looks. We ain't messing around here. I got the sweat to prove it. Not like that means much. I'll sweat doing nothing, but what you see is what you get. Okay.
And the lobster pieces off.
Featuring. Sound funny? I mean, Buttery Steakhouse by Kinder's if you would.
Kindies?
Don't worry about that. This is what it is. I ain't pronouncing nothing. Found it in 1946. Okay. What's that?
Go on to Ruby's face after.
That's our friend. Garlic, sea salt, and the adjustable grinder, please. Alright, so here's this. Pretty cool little detail in this setup. And I don't have a vise, and I'm not trying to make too much of a mess. I got my little WR426 here. What I do, I put this in here to saw this down there, but I just need to go a little further. And then, yeah, but this is what I'm working with. This will be the outcome, and get some wood split for that, the meats you saw us prep earlier there. But, alright, stay tuned, eh? Alright, so I'm going to call this good, but before I wedge it, I'm going to just smooth this out and kind of blend it in, because obviously it could have went down more. But we're on a time crunch here, so yeah, let's go. So you guys probably seen this video. I'm gonna find a wedge for that other one using this, but yeah, this was a nice little fun little project. I added this wood burning, and now we're gonna use it to find a wedge. I got a little wedge I'm gonna use. Little wedge. Alright, so we're out here live. We got Ruby with a double bit axe, and this is the little wedge that's gonna have to do. That's gonna get pounded in there, you know, and you know, this axe, if it lasts all night, that's the purpose. Ain't gonna be no showpiece. If it lasts enough to make that nice little fire and that puppy huppy, we're good. We got an update here. She's stuck on that little log. We'll figure that out. Alright, update again. That log is getting its side chewed out. So it's too big. It's too big for him. Alright, so guest appearance, little Ruby, and then we got 22 Remington, 45 Blazer, another 22 Remington shell to help hold this wedge into place. And there's Ruby again. And I don't know if you guys remember this, but it's a little Japanese hatchet. I could use a repolishing. I'll be doing some fine pieces of wood with this. I'll be using this and the axe I just put together mainly tonight to cook some ribeye. Good job. Ruby, you want some ribeye, man? Yeah, man. Sizzling just like Applebee's, dude.
All the way over here in the truck.
This is our flea market find, and yeah, I found this thing many years ago. Very pretty. Okay, and there's a puppy. Uh-oh. Might have just got a DWI, I don't know. Ruby, come on, you see I'm holding a coffee here in the reflection. Let's go.